Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace or upgrade these interior lights on Dodge Charger 2007 to LEDs. I ordered a pack, so I will choose which one to use best. And by removing this one, I found out that I didn't want to break anything, because you definitely can open it from here, but you have to know which side to open it from. So, and as you can see, it opens from this side right here, because right here it's not gonna come out for sure. So what I'm gonna do is just press that. Hold it, press this, pull it out. Okay, so don't press too hard, but just enough to get it out, because if you press too hard, you will break it off as well. So now I'm able to pull it out like so, and all I need is just replace this bulb right here. Okay, so I pulled the bulb out, and usually all LED lights, they have like a negative and a positive, so you never know which way to insert it. But since I have lights on in my car, I could just go ahead and try putting it in one way, and then if it doesn't work, put it the other way. So as you can see, now it's working. I tried one way, it's not working, then I flipped it, and now it's on. So okay, now I'll put it back on. There's just like two screws with this kind. Okay, over time the lights will turn off, and what you can do is just push unlock on your remote, and it will turn on, or close the door and reopen it. So now that it's there, I'm just gonna put this end in here like that, and just click this one inside there. There we go. Okay, now that I know that it opens from this side with this small I don't know what it's called thing is, I was able to insert this kind of screwdriver and pressed it until I could see this edge, and now I'm able to go ahead and open it and then slide it out like this, and now I see the bulb. Okay, so I tried it, one side didn't work, flipped it, and now it started working. So same thing, put this back in there, put your finger like that. It's kind of curved. There we go. So for the top ones, for the driver one, it opens from the front here like this, but mine was kind of broken on one side before, so and then it gets like stuck in here kind of, so you have to like pull it this way and then it's gonna come out. Same thing to reinsert it. Now we see that there's a different kind of light in here and it's like covered. So what you gotta do is pull this out, this metal piece, and then we see the bulb itself. Okay, so be careful, because if they're turned on then they're pretty hot. So I pulled it out and I installed mine, and I turned it this way because this is the reflector and it's gonna be covered like this. So, and my LED is, I'm gonna show you, it looks like this. Oh, this is the even stronger one. Okay, so I put that metal thing in there. As you can see, there's special spots on sides, so you should figure this out. Then I was able to put this one back in there, and now I'm just gonna click. It should look in place. So while I was removing the other one, two of these actually broke off, and I already installed it. Now it's working, and as you can see, I removed that what it's called, the metal thing, because my LEDs are not too bright, and as you can see, this reflector here, or whatever that thing is kind of dimmable here as well. So I think there is no point for them. I mean, maybe there was, because those are really bright, but here LEDs are not as bright, so I'm just gonna leave them like that, and this way they will give more light in the cab. So, and so what I did here, I plastic weld them back with the metal piece, and it actually works on this one. So I'm gonna do the same on here, but you can probably buy them new if they happen to break off. But I removed them right, but they're just over time, break, because they become really dry and stuff like that. So as you can see, I plastic welded this end on the other side too, because it's not gonna hold just with one end. When you push, it's not gonna be working properly. So you can either do that, like I said, I put like a small thin wire in here when I was plastic welding, because this way it's gonna hold, but without the wire it's not gonna hold, it's gonna crack right away. Okay, so it clicks right in, and now as you can see, I'm pushing and it's working properly. Hey guys, so if this video was helpful, like and subscribe to my channel. I have more other helpful videos, and see you in the next video.